as long as I could remember, Brooklyn has always been a battleground for me. To be Haitian those days made it even worse. It meant to be at the bottom of the food chain, so everyone took a shot at us.
Nigga, when you get out, yo, this is my nigga Pat. The nigga I was talking to you about.
What's that nigga's running for?
How about next time you
talking that Haitian shit?
What? Me not Haitian.
The nigga went crazy, shut out the place. That's it.
Get money and stay away
Come on, get the fucking money, man.
I believe you're giving a man a second chance.
Pat, man, what's up, man? You gonna do that when we was talking about?
I want you to f with any of these motherfuckers over there, man. Especially this nigga.
Niggas change, man.
I was there that day, Patrick. That day. I can't say I know how you feel, but I think I understand.
Niggas walking around here like they have no identity. You know what I'm saying? They don't know where they coming from.
Yo, anybody who moves in front of you the wrong way, you just hit them.
You're messing with the wrong people, you hear me?
Put me in bad situation, Pepe. You forging accident.
Are you trying to say you ain't gonna come with me to make this money, man?
Some things are just more powerful than words.